We're both in Hong Kong, and then Hong Kong has been a lot of ups and downs for the past, couple months. How does it affect the real estate market?
Well, short answer, the increase of uncertainty that grows, I guess, across the board, right? For people living here, for people who plan to come in, I think the uncertainty has been increasing. In the investment market, it's probably not a good thing to have, right? Again, I believe there's always good and bad for everything. There's always opportunities in every market. Though it may be tougher to seek opportunities in general right now, as we have been facing tough times, you're right, in the past month, and I guess almost a year now, right? Since the trade war, and then we have the social unrest, and then now the COVID-19 situation. So in my opinion is that the business and individuals who will probably need some time to be more, I guess, adaptive and creative and collaborative. Relatively speaking, compared with other financial cities in the world, Hong Kong do still have, in my opinion, strong fundamentals with good supports, good talents, mixture of East and West. I don't think, in other competing cities will be, having those elements just like that, So I still believe in the system and the play. So it's a matter of time that we will sort of bounce back again.